in and out my door. I'm glad they came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls I've loved before.
To all the girls I once caressed, and may I say I have held the best, for helping me to grow. I owe a lot I know to all the girls I have loved before.
The winds of change are always blowing, and every time I try to stay, the winds of change continue blowing, and they just carry me away. To all the girls who shared my life, who now are someone else's wife, glad they came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls I've loved before.
To all the girls who care for me, who fill my nights with ecstasy. They live within my heart. I'll always be a part of all the girls I've loved before.
The winds of change are always blowing, and every time I try to stay, the winds of change continue blowing, but they just carry me away.
All the girls we've loved before,
who traveled in and out my door.
we're glad they came along.
We dedicate this song
To all the girls we've loved before,
to all the girls we've loved before.
through trouble in and out our doors.
We're glad they came along.
We dedicate this song to all the girls